What to expect during Dahlia Red Light Therapy sessions. If you're thinking about trying Dahlia Red Light Therapy, let me show you exactly what to expect. When you arrive, our front desk team will welcome you and walk you through a quick check-in. If it's your first visit, we'll do a full consultation and body composition analysis. This helps us personalize your session and track your progress over time. Once you're ready, you'll lie comfortably in the Dahlia bed. The soft, flexible pads will target those specific areas like your midsection, thighs, arms, and back. This system utilizes real-time feedback to customize each session to your body. It feels warm, but completely relaxing. No pain, no downtime, no recovery needed. You'll spend about 10 to 15 minutes in each session. Afterwards, you'll step onto our whole body vibration platform, and this helps stimulate your lymphatic system and support natural fat elimination. And we'll also provide hydration and nutrition tips, basic aftercare guidance to help you get the best possible results. Dahlia is clean, comfortable, and clinically backed. It's designed to support your wellness goals through a natural, non-invasive experience. Want to learn more or get started? Just reach out. We're here to help. Follow us for more updates, helpful tips, and real patient stories. We're so excited for you to try it, and we'll see you soon.